Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something really cool, a trailer alignment kit. These are very neat, magnetic on the bottom. What you do with them is you put one on the trailer, one on your vehicle, magnetic. For daytime, you can use these nice balls, right? Nighttime, you've got these right here. They light up, you just gotta get some batteries for them, easy peasy. When you're backing up your vehicle, you just bring it in, and you watch the ball, wait until it lines up with this one, and you know you're gonna be latched in, right? You're ready to go ahead and hook your trailer up to your vehicle, easy peasy. To replace them, maybe it's nighttime by the time you get back from your camping or boating or whatever it is you're doing. Fun stuff. Just go ahead and put one of these on there. Lights right up, do the same to the other one, and then just line up your lights, okay? Very cool. And then when you're done, go ahead and take them off, store them away in your vehicle, and down the road you go. And if you need this part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.